Just pulled out of the driveway. I got the trailer with the wheeler, if you can see that. I don't know, but I do. Back there, yeah. God damn it. Anyways, so I pulled over to go up and close that little ribbon thing. And right down the road here is 2 turkey lurkeys. Isn't that cutest thing you ever saw? I don't think that's turkey. I think that's like gigantic turkey vultures. Let's go take a look and see. Wow, they're huge, whatever they are. I thought they were turkeys, but they are not. Some kind of a scavenger. So, what the heck is that thing? Creepy looking motherfucker, ain't it? Both of them. Wahoo! I should take their squirrel and eat it, just to show them who's the boss in the neighborhood nowadays.